If you're seeing a Steam error 404, don't panic. In most cases, it does not mean your whole Steam account is broken. It usually means Steam can't find the page, file, or game resource you're trying to open. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Steam error 404 step by step. Whether it happens in the store, community, your profile, or even when launching a game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common reason. If you get a 404 while browsing the Steam store, the community market, or a user profile, Steam is often loading a cached page that no longer exists, has moved, or has been set to private. So the first thing you should do is clear Steam's browser cache. Open Steam, click Steam at the top left, then go into Settings and select Interface. Look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data and click it. This clears out old stored page data that can cause broken links and error pages. After that, go back into Settings. Let's sit down in Settings and open Downloads. Here, click Clear Downloads Cache. Steam will ask you to log in again, so be ready for that. This step is important because it refreshes Steam's web handshakes and clears out corrupted connection data that can trigger strange browser errors. Once Steam restarts and you sign back in, check the page again and see if the 404 is gone. If the problem is happening on a specific profile, mod, or community item, the next thing to check is the URL itself. Make sure the link hasn't changed and make sure the content still exists. Sometimes the item has been deleted, moved, or set to private by the owner. In that case, Steam isn't actually broken. The page just no longer exists in the location you're trying to reach. Now let's move on to the second common case. If a game fails to launch and you see something that feels like a 404 style error, Steam may know the game is installed, but it can't find the executable file it needs to run. This usually means a file is missing, damaged, or was removed by another program. To fix that, go to your Steam library, right-click the game and open Properties. Then choose Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and check whether any files are missing or corrupted. If it finds a problem, it will automatically re-download the missing pieces. This is one of the best fixes for launch errors because it repairs the game without you having to reinstall everything manually. If verifying the files does not help, check your antivirus or Windows Defender quarantine. Sometimes security software flags a game launcher or support file as a threat and silently removes it. Open your antivirus protection history or quarantine section and look for anything related to the game. If you find the file there, restore it and add an exclusion if needed. After that, try launching the game again. There's one more thing to keep in mind. Sometimes Steam error 404 is not caused by your computer at all. Steam's own servers may be having a temporary issue. That can happen with the store, the web API, the community pages, or even specific content servers. If that's the case, you can check steamstat.us to see whether the store or web API is currently down. If the service is having maintenance or an outage, the 404 errors may continue until Steam brings the servers back online. So to recap, if you see Steam error 404, start by clearing the web browser data, then clear the download cache, check the page URL, verify your game files if a game won't launch, review antivirus quarantine, and finally check whether Steam itself is having server-side issues. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the problem quickly. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Steam troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.